Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, today I will going to present with the topic efforts to apply a fair attitude in the implementation of election. But before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Alin Afiagnata. I'm from 8.4 with at least number 1. Okay, so let's start this presentation with going to the first slide. In the first slide, there is research design. The research design is explain about the theme, problem formulation, also the date of the progress. The theme is efforts to apply a fair attitude in the implementation of election, and the problem, there are many people who are unfair in the general election, and also the problem formulation is to know how the way to apply justice in the general election, and also the negative impact if there is no justice in the general election 2024. Okay, so in discussion, as we know, in Indonesia there is so many split that happen in the process of Pemilu 2024. One is money politics. Money politics we still encounter in the time leading up to election. Usually this fraud is carried out in order the people got the most votes, but that can have a negative impact for other nominate because they cannot compete with people that use money politics. And there are several models of money politics. One is gift giving to selectors. This can foster an unfair attitude for candidates who not have a good enough finances. And there are so many candidates who are responsible, trustworthy, and also honest, but they cannot compete with other because they do not have good enough finances. So with that, the negative can be formed from the money politic. And the analysis from this data, one of the problems that always arise in the implementation of election is money politics. So the involvement of money to win political power in election has many negative impact. And the solution and recommendation for the government must give a more protect to the supervisor of Bawaslu or supervisor of the when during the implementation of election in order they can avoid the fraud and also give the sanction if there is a people that use a paper to follow the or nomination themselves. And the conclusion is we need both justice and honors in ourselves during simultaneous election in order we have a good relation with each other, and also the negative impact celebrate democracy in Indonesia can make the people get conflict, and also with implementation democracy system in Indonesia that can develop the democracy of Indonesia. When Indonesia can implement justice in process general election 2024, so that can avoid the conflict with each other and also with harmony and improve and also develop the implementation of democracy in Indonesia.
What the impact if there is no justice when celebrate election?
Okay, so the impact of if there is no justice in with each other, that can make other people get a conflict and also trust issue with each other, and also cannot put a harmony so in the environment, so that can make the people difficult to believe each other.
Enough? Okay, thank you so much for your nice presentation. Yeah, you can explain clearly. So it's my turn. I want to make sure that you understand well the content of your project. Your title, it's about effort to apply a fair attitude in the implementation of general election. Okay. The first question, why you took fair for your research?
Why? Because in this era, there is so many people that fraud and use money political, like example, but they become crazy because they do not meet with their expectation.
Okay. And then you said that the effort to implement justice in the simultaneous election, the first we need build justice and harness. But in the reality, it's very hard, right?
Yes.
So, how the way to build justice and harness in our self?
First, we must have intention first to become change or build our justice in ourselves. And second, we can build our justice with do a positive thing or not have intention to damage our environment, so that can push us to have a justice in ourselves.
Okay. Next, the negative impact. This is the second research question, right?
Yes.
It's about the negative impact
Of money politics.
Okay. And then Indonesia can make Indonesian people get conflict. Can you give the example, simple example, what the conflict during general election 2024 that relate with unfairness result?
Okay, so the negative impact of money politics is that can make each other not have advantage, because the one is not have the most votes, and the one is make the data on the also is not correct with the reality.
Okay, the last question. If you already have the right to vote, if you already have the right to vote, what behavior for implementation general election, next general election? What behavior for implementing for the next general election if you have the right vote?
Maybe we must not easy to get bribery for other people that give us money to vote them, and we must not easy to believe for them. We must have or use our change without people that follow us.
The first and the
Yes.
second. What's behavior? What's your attitude when you already have the right food?
My attitude is not behavior.
Honest.
Yes, honest is the first thing, because if we're not honest, that can make us not have a good relationship with each other. That can damage our relationship.
Okay. Okay, I think enough. So you can close your presentation.
That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.